And good morning, Facebook. How are we today? Another bright and sunny day here in Cheshire at the SimplyDiag Community Hub. It's not bright, it's not sunny. Boy, have we just had a downpour. Bit of a late start for me this morning. Obviously, feeling the effects of a severe case of man flu, but we're here nonetheless. So we're just about to get everything. I'm 4 hours later than I'd normally be. But we're going to get everything turned on now, updated, get the Zoom running and that for our members, and we'll see you online soon. But boy, what a rain that was! It's absolute. Look at this, the grids overflowing. Council, if you're watching, come and unblock these grids, please. Thank you very much. Dutton Business Centre, Dot Road. Yeah, we're drowning the pickle of Volvo. Not good, not clever. We had Alex in yesterday with the 508. We've come to the conclusion that it's one of two modules. Morning Keith, morning Ian. Who else is there? Yeah. We've come to the conclusion it's one of two modules. Morning Jason. Happy Chippy Friday. Morning Danny, morning Anthony. Yeah, one of two modules. It's either that module that's faulty or that module that's faulty. That one's already been away for testing somewhere else in a previous life. Morning Alan. So basically we've got no injector pulse. There's a TSB on DDTSB for the fuse box, but we've got all the inputs but none of the outputs, so I'm wondering what's going on there. So yeah, to be concluded at a later date. Well, yeah, little 508, crank no start, no injection pulse, PO201, 2, 3 and 4. Yeah, really nice that. Enjoyed that. What else have we got? Oh, what else have we got going on in the hub? We've had parcel delivery yesterday when I wasn't here. Yeah, we had a parcel delivery yesterday. So, wonder what that could be. Might be some new banners, that. I suspect that might be some banners. Who knows? We'll see. But don't worry about me, folks. I've got me Cherry Jakeman's on the go. And somewhere I haven't lost them, cranberry and blueberry lockets. They're the future, they are. Morning Andy, how are you? Yeah, fixes all ills, that does. Cranberry and blueberry lockets. So, without further ado, it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it's your birthday yesterday and I missed it, happy birthday. If it's your birthday over the weekend, awesome. Have an awesome weekend, folks. You deserve it. Thanks for watching. Morning, Dave.